come to the edge. They're flying.
Where'd they go?
Right there. Come back here further.
Look, there's the little one. Over by the tree.
Oh my good gracious.
How do you zoom in these things, Heather?
I have no idea. Now, is that the mom? Or
No,
is that
that's
the
a baby.
Oh, it's so fuzzy.
She's in the tree.
She's trying to get him to...
What? I'm taking all that. No, you're not. You're fine. There was one brave one. The rest are like,
They're way too afraid.
They're not going to come down with me standing here, I guess. Where'd the baby go? The other baby?
Oh, Mom, you're smart to have them go into the pine needles.
the baby's all the way over at the
Oh, there he
wall.
is. Yeah, I see him.
Oh, that one just pooped.
Oh,
And
good
the mom's
times.
on the
Hey,
wall.
did you get that
I
off?
did. Where's it at?
It's over in the corner.
Oh, look at that one. He's all the way over there.
He's like, this seems a little safer. Where's brother?
They don't even have tails yet.
He's so scared. Is that Mom? Yeah, there's Mom. Come on, you can do it.
There he goes.
Oh!
He went to the tree.
He went far.
There's 5 babies.
There are.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, poor Jen's not here to see it. Okay. The rest of them are getting a little more brave. Come on, Mom, you gotta coax them.
There he goes. Well, he almost did it. He's wanting to. Look at it.
Oh! Oh, you did it, baby.